Alrighty guys, these are the elevators here at JCPenney. Here at the Bel Air Mall here in trying to think what city, Mobile, Alabama.
There you go.
Because I think this is Dover. Very interesting. Ugh. Are you kidding me? Yep, going down?
Yes, sir.
Come on in.
You going out or you going down?
I'm going down. I'm just filming the elevator.
What are you filming? Like, what are you doing? Making a documentary or something?
I actually do YouTube on it. Like people watch it.
Oh, okay, that's so cool. Like
Thank you.
doing the elevators?
Yes.
There's one downtown where it's the whole city in the background.
Yeah.
You did that one already?
No, actually I haven't. This is my first time ever coming here.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's the go to a Renaissance Hotel and get in their elevator and you'll be able to see the whole downtown. And it's
Okay.
so cool.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you too. Here you go. Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
You're welcome. Got it.
You got it, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, okay, you can push one. Oh, you get out?
I'm actually getting out. Thank
Okay,
you.
all right.
It's definitely very hot. Oh, hello. What are you doing up there? This must be like some button. It's a weird mixture of stuff. There must be one winning, because I don't think that's one winning. With you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
The other one out open?
Yep.
Close?
Yeah, that's pretty interesting.
Yeah.
Someone told me there's like a glass elevator in downtown. There it goes. And I guess that is going to be it for me.